Girl, welcome back to the next vlog, you see me? Don't know a thing go ever active outside, man. That is it. Yo, I'm just want to say, big up to drizzy burke, you see me? Respect my dog, you don't know a thing go ready for shout out, you see it? Hey man, but we're active outside still. But yeah, today is just a normal daily vlog. You see me? Today's a daily vlog. Don't know downtown, yeah? Yeah. Place nice and thing, man, you see me? But don't say we're outside as always. Yeah, man, vloggers, so I plane us a forward in there to see me. No thing, go. One more will go out same way. Yeah, man, so them plane here bring people to the island and back, you see me? Yeah, man, all of them small plane there, so. Yeah, man, I take a flight out of one of them days still. Don't know, still have active. That is it. Yeah, man, so the next one I go out the same way. Man, I have to get a fly out of one of them, look nice. Yeah, man, black girl. I'm playing there, I lift up and you see me? See, next one, just a line up. Yeah, man. Look my thing go. Them place are ever active still with people, you see me? I go walk out with someone at time. See if I can get a better view, you don't know thing go. Place nice, man. See, a whole heap of people there said we. Be a tall building and everything there. One more there, so I reverse out here, man. I don't know if you know. Out there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, one of them days, I take a fly out of them plane, man. I know thing go already. They're active. Yeah, man, vlog real, as I say. I can walk go up on the higher level, yeah. See if we can get a better view, you see me? Yeah, man, don't know thing go ever active outside. Yeah, see how many there a while ago. Right down this way, you see me? Take a walk up on the upstairs, yeah. Where you are going? Yeah, man, vlog girl. See what I'm going from up yesterday? Fully active. Yeah, man, the view is really good, huh? That is it, man. Now go to the party still and we'll see what's going. Yeah, man, vlog really up on the top level, you know, you see me? That's how they don't know the thing go. See all I view. Yeah. So now it's I don't know the thing go. Don't get cold still, you see me? And what I feel like through the sun shine and anything there. Yeah. And well cold, you see. But I don't know the thing go. Active outside as we say. I want to explain this so I forward in see me. You see me? One out there so I go out. One thing. When I take a walk, go down with a cruise ship today. Right down there so. With a cruise ship today, yeah. Walk go down there so and see what I go on, you see it. Yeah man, I don't know so active out here. See me. When I bird them I go back out there again. Them things are just satisfying for watch, you see me? Most people let them come here come to a evening time. Just sit down and watch plane. Take off and land. Up there. Yeah man, active man. One more this so I go out again. Yeah man, the area busy, you see me? Well, I go to the party, I go see what I go on. When the father them place, yeah, come like say they in a movie, you see it. You want some people over there so have their lunch. We're too late for lunchtime right now, but anything with them have still. You see me? It's active man. It's bad out in Billy. Yeah man, but you don't know the thing go. They're like always. You don't feel kinda hungry you know, but I go and hold it, you see me. So we consume some food and things. Yeah man, place active. Black girl. But if you hold on, you could have found this and see what I go on, you see me. Place well nice and things. Cactus club over there, so stay the way. Yeah. Probably I don't get till night time, so in the night I'm going to make you see this. I'm not sure yet still, you see me? Yeah, but if I'm there, night, I'm not going to see when it's light up. And thing, it's bad. Active. Yeah, right now I'm going to take a walk, go down a cruise ship. To see what I go on. See it. And I'm going to bring one with me too. Most of them people are fought off a cruise ship still. Yeah. So active now.
That was horrible. Just like other time I really like it.
Oh, them places are nice and nice time to me, you see me? Yeah man, to see big building them light up on them thing there. Place are well nice. One more plane I go out there again. And on the cruise ship are well big, you know? Yeah man, vlogger, I don't say rich people them live, you see me? Yeah man. When I reach out, I come here so come live where rich people them live still, you see me? Go back to Jamaica, I live with my family them. You don't know a thing already. Yeah man, but I don't say rich people in there. So squaddy over there so said we in case nothing good wrong, you see me? There's a squaddy active. Yeah. Well, as I say, no, so active outside, see me. A big horizon building there. Yeah man, the people forward down here so thing. Go look for a view and them stuff there. Go. So a better view like cruise ship here. Around here, see me? Around a black part around here so. Yeah man. Active. Them people up there so clean the window them. There's a machine they have up there clean the window them. Yeah, we don't know anything go. Active all year man. Can you hold it for me? Can you hold it for me? I'm gonna go put the money in your spine. Just hold it for me.
Yeah.
Hey, what? Thank you, bro.
Welcome.
Active CM. Yeah. Over this one I forward from. Nice little walk come all the way around. Also active. Well, I go up on the stretcher to see what I'm going. Playing a touchdown there. That is it. Playing gas station in a seaside way. Active. Yeah man, vlogger, I'm just there, sit down and go and hold a meds, you see me? Yeah man, more well people have to just, take a step back and just slow down the pace a bit. More well you move too fast and like everything that's a move fast and thing, you see me? More well you just kind of slow it down and just hold a good measure and focus back up on thing and go again. You see me? You don't really want to move too fast and then everything is a move fast and everything is a pass you. Yeah, so you have to just keep it at a pace. You see me? More well me move super fast, you see it. But more well, I have to slow down, say, man, say, yo, I have to recharge up again and active back up. I don't know anything go. From there I go easy still. You see me? From all the mids. Be people are forward in and thing after I ship. People are forward and people are coming back, you see me, but just there going easy. As I say, today is a daily vlog and thing. Just gonna see what I go on down from the downtown area. You see me? Yeah man. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the vlog world. I'm really appreciate all the people them who give me support, you see me? All of my subscribers them. Like everybody who watch the video basically. Who like the video, who share the video. Big up on yourself, you see it? Yeah man. And just go on, stay tuned and see me. Can have some banger content to forward, you know. But I'm not gonna tell you no why yet. You see me? I'm not gonna see what I go on still. Yeah man, but I'm just there. So I'm just gonna big up on yourself, see me. I don't know anything go. I don't have to say much, you see it. And just do the right thing always. That is it. Yeah man, vlog girl, I get a good exercise today. You see me from way out and I'm forward, you know. Back around this the same way, I'm forward. Said way. We don't know anything go. You know, so fit already and thing, you see me. Yeah man, thing reach at the end. Thing reach at the end out there so still. I'm not sure where I'm going. So I walk around there and still.
That's kind of cool.
Nice scenery. Like downtown Vancouver. See what that say? Fly over. Awaken your wonders. Ship are big still. They go over ship. Whole heap of room and them thing there. There's a girl walk out the step here. For the next high level again. Whole heap of walking me little yesterday. Yeah. Nice view of the ship. I think. Yeah, I'm up on the highest level of the building right now. So me down the some did I walk a while ago. Thing. Yeah, nice view, man. But you see down at them places at night time, very cold. Them places you have to have on one sweater at night time and then your big jacket, you see me? Cover them places and left them thing there, you freeze. Yeah, man. Most people do it still, but throw me afraid of cold and them something there. I now left my sweater and my jacket if I afford them places at night time. I don't know anything already. At the time well cold, like the skin burn you know, like a pepper you rub for your skin, you see me so. I don't like them feeling there. So I'm just do the right thing. Yeah. The vlog I go long still in about. So you go, just show now how I go and see me how nice the place is. Yeah. Active out here. That is it. Yeah man, vlog really don't know anything go. Right now we come to the end of the vlog, you know. It was a nice day today. Down here in downtown Vancouver, Canada, to be exact. Yeah. So I'm just going to bless up on yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. See me? Active. See you guys on the next one.